Book of Heaven, Volume 11, June 6, 1915. In the divine will, everything resolves into love for God and for one's neighbor. As I am in my usual state, my always lovable Jesus, while remaining hidden, wants me all intent on him to plead continuously for my brothers. So while I was praying and crying for the salvation of the poor combatants, wanting to cling to Jesus so as to implore him that none of them be lost, I reached the point of speaking nonsense to him. And Jesus, though sad, seemed to be pleased with my petitions, and as though willing to concede what I wanted. But a thought flew into my mind, that I should think about my own salvation. And Jesus told me,
"My daughter, as you were thinking about yourself, you produced a human sensation, and my will, fully divine, noticed it. In my will, everything resolves into love for me and for one's neighbor. There are no personal things, because by containing my will alone, the soul contains all possible goods for herself. And if it contains them, why ask me for them? Rather, isn't it right that she occupy herself with praying for those who do not have them? Ah, if you knew what calamities miserable humanity will go through, you would be more active in my will for their good."
And while saying this, he made me hear all the evils that the Masons are plotting against humanity.